Hello everyone. In this video, let's see how to validate Excel columns. Okay. So for that one, I have created an Excel sheet here with some columns, medicine, manufacturer, etc. I created this in the OneDrive. So now I'm taking instant cloud flow and ABC its name. I'm taking a manual trigger here, create. So first we will take the list of Excel file, list of so list rows. Okay, so this Excel file is in OneDrive. So document library is OneDrive, and the file name is medicines. Okay, and the table name will be the medicines here. In every Excel file you must keep one table name here like this here. Okay, so now let's run this one first and let's see whether it is giving the correct data or not, or whether it is reading or not our Excel file. This PowerAutomate, click continue, run flow, done. Now you see it's the outputs. See the body, you can see all these columns, right? So here just copy all this first. So let's paste here in this. Like this we have, right? So we don't need this first two, so we need to skip this one. So remove this, and first of all we don't need these values also, because we need only Excel headers, right? So we don't need this. So remove this. See, when I'm doing this one, all these are the first. When you split anything, these are all the first items. Okay, remember that one. We will use one formula here. So here I just need like this one square bracket, like array here. So I will keep all these items in one array here now. So I will create one array. Initialize the variable where columns array here and paste this one. Okay, fine, save it now. So now we need to format this particular output which is coming from the list rows present in a table, like how we have done here, nicely formatted right here the data. So we need to do it according programmatically. Okay, so now go to add action here. To do this kind of things we can make use of select here. So select will work fine with arrays. So click this select, and it is asking from which one array to select from. So from this particular list rows present in a table, right? Or we can give here a function something like this, and we can write the skip function which will skip the first two columns. So dynamic content here, body value, and I can give comma 2, because here you see, right, I skipped the first two columns. So here I am writing in a expression way. So it is asking to map itself. So to what it map, it is asking us to, I need to map something like this. I will go here and I will write here one expression to replace our double quotes with the spaces. Okay, so first, and write like split them with the semicolon, split this item, okay, comma, and okay, now first let's write here and then later something like this you can write, and write this in the expression here and click add and save it, and now run and see how the select will come. Select will come with the columns, skipping the first two columns or not, and removing all the space double quotes. So here initialize variable, something bad request is coming. Update value time, the variable content supports a variable type, something is there here. Okay, why it's happening? Where columns type array, so why it's happening? Okay, I forgot to write the commas here, sorry. Okay, now let's test. Save and let's run it again. Test it. Test. Run flow. Done. See now, this is our first. Go to select is coming, little bit execution failed, the template language split. Okay, split is expecting something, and let's see the parameter what we have written. The first split of item, so skip here, skip outputs. Okay, it's fine, I think. Outputs of list rows. Oh, okay, we forgot to write one more step here. In the top we will write here one compose action, so that will first separate the columns from the actual data. So here I will write one small expression which will separate out all these things. Okay, split string first. In the first you need to write the outputs body value like this, in a table body value, and here comma, and one single quote, here one double quote, again comma here like this, and add. Okay, this compose we will give in this select. Here let's give this compose outputs and update it, and now let's run this one. Test it now, and in the select we must get the perfect array now. Okay, see now in the select we got the perfect columns array now. So now we need to filter that array with our initialization variable here, so that if when we compare both, the count must come. Now the 7 items are there right in this array, so 7 items must come here. So for that we need to filter arrays. Filter array, you can take filter array and array to filter this select. Okay, choose a value. So choose a value here. Generally it comes from our array variable here. So what is the array variable here? This is where columns is equal to the item, one of the item here. So I will go to the advanced mode here, and I can write here, or is contains, you must write, that is the main thing. If I write item here, and if I go to like this, okay, must edit in the normal mode. Remove this single quotes in the item. Okay, now fine. Now let's save this one and check in the filter array how many items are coming. If it is coming like 7, then we can our output is correct. Test it here now. Run flow, done. So filter array, if you go and see, we have something filtering. We need to find out contents is working. I think so. So length, let's find out the length here. Compose, and in this compose find the length. Length of filter array. Output, done. Save it. Test, manually test. Run flow, done. Here if you see 7 is coming. If 7 means the 7 columns what we have hard coded here, and we are comparing with the Excel file which is uploaded here, so it means it is correct now. So like this we must validate the Excel things. Now you can write something like this. If you write a condition also, you can write here some condition control. So you take this condition. In this condition you can, in app you can write one condition here. So here my compose 1 is outputs is equal to 7. It means you can write a compose action. Valid Excel. If it is false, write one more compose function. In that you can write whatever email or something you can write. Invalid Excel here. Save it. Now click it, test it now. Test, run flow, done. See here it's come. So because it is compared all the columns here and it is true, so compose to valid Excel is there. This is how you must actually validate the Excel files. And also if you want to buy my courses, you can go to this website, and here if just type this, I will give the link in the description. You can see all these courses you can purchase. There will be some festival offers during the festival times here, and you can already, there are some offers. If you see, you can purchase both in English and Telugu languages. Okay, thank you for watching my videos, and please subscribe. Thank you.